So this is the money that you can earn by doing some small tasks, guys, and it's absolutely free of cost. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just doing simple steps. I want to tell you guys, if you do not know how to earn money, just click on the subscribe button and just hit the bell icon and just like my video, so that guys you can know that how you can also earn money online by just doing some small steps and easy way out. How can you derive money in your PayPal account just for free, just by doing some small tasks, guys. And I've shown you this website. All these website links are in my description box, so just go now and just try to earn money, and I show you how step by step you can earn money. Okay, I'll show you the payment proof, guys, as well. So just follow along this video. So guys, I'll show you first that what are the types of earning you can get from this website. Okay, now how can you do it? So by doing some small surveys, by just uploading videos, by just inviting friends, and you are getting paid. And guys, this site, why it is different from other sites? Because it is going to pay you a lot of money just instantly in your PayPal account. Okay, and unlimited surveys it will offer. It's not like that some websites are having limited type of surveys, but this website is having unlimited surveys. Okay, I'll show you step by step what are the companies which are offering a good payment and you are getting paid. Even $1 you can redeem in your PayPal account. I'll show you step by step, and I'll show you guys. You can see, guys, there are lots and lots of members in this website which are earning by just doing some small tasks. Guys, you can do it just 1 hour. I should say that 1 hour is max. A minimum 20 minutes you need to spend your time in this website, and you can earn money online by just doing absolutely nothing, just some small task, and you are getting paid. Okay, you can utilize your free time by this. You can see, guys, 1516k plus dollar payment this website have given to their members. Okay, and you can see 7.877 million. And you can see, guys, a payment proof. It is actually how people are earning from this website. Okay, so I'll show you step by step what you need to do, guys. So you just come up in this website and just click on create an account. Okay, just click on this thing, and you need to follow some small steps, guys. Just enter your details, your name, okay, your last name, your user name, and your email ID, your password, and your confirming password. Okay, just click on sign up and create my account, and it is loading, and you can see, guys, your account has been created. I just need to sign up again. Okay, just click on this your email ID and your password, and just click on the sign in button, and just you need to do what? Just sign in. And you can see, guys, $0.5, and you can see, okay, I just do it right now. Okay, $0.5 you can see in my payment by just doing some registration. Okay, and it's absolutely free of cost, guys. I just do some sign up, and there is just simply just within few clicks I get $0.5. Okay, and you can see, guys, there is a lot of potential in this website. Okay, and you need to guys, first verify your mail. Okay, just come up in your email ID, and you can see, guys, you just need to verify. A verification link is there. So you just need to click on this thing, and you need to verify your account. It's very important, guys, otherwise there is no earning. I just click on the refresh button and you can see guys, my account is verified. Okay, so what I need to do right now, you can see guys, there are lots and lots of offers. Okay, even you can earn by attending some quizzes. Okay guys, this is not only for earning money, but it will eventually increase your knowledge as well. So it's a complete package which will not even will give you a good amount of money, but also help you to gain knowledge. Okay, so it's great. Why? Because guys, you are getting paid for learning new things. Okay, it's absolutely good thing. So I just tell you some of the important thing, guys. First, I should say that if you are having 10 friends, minimum 10 friends, you are getting $0.1 in your account. Okay, I just do recommend you to share this link on WhatsApp groups. Okay, there are different types of WhatsApp groups. I just show you some WhatsApp group tips. Okay, how you can do it and post it so that your earnings will be increased. And you can see guys, even in 1000 clicks, just 1000 clicks on this link, you are getting paid $3. How can you do it? I just tell you guys, in your Facebook account guys, you just need to type earn money online. Okay, just you need to type earn money online and you just need to join this group. And you can see guys, how many members are there in this group. 86.2k. Okay, I just do some calculation guys, so that I just want to tell you that by just posting your link, how much you can earn. Okay, minimum I should take guys, how much minimum I should take. Okay, you can take guys 86,000 members it is having. So I just take, let us suppose 70,000. Okay, 70,000 people I should take. Okay, into $3 divided by per 1000 views. Okay, just simple. Guys, $210 in your PayPal account by just posting a small link in this. You can see $3 per 1000 clicks, just by clicks. And you know that guys, this group is having more potential. Okay, because it is one of the active group and there are millions and millions of groups out there. You can see guys, you just need to type guys earn money, you just need to type, and you can see guys, there are lots of hundreds of groups, so many groups. And you can see guys, by just posting some small link, okay, you can earn a good amount of money by just posting it. Guys, you can see guys, 70,000 is just minimum amount. Okay, you can earn a good amount by this. Okay, you just see the potential. I just told you, and you can do it in your LinkedIn guys. Okay, Twitter, Facebook is just one thing. Okay, Facebook, on your WhatsApp group, and lots and lots of, in your mail ID as well, you can share it. And you can see guys, you can perform it very well. Okay, you do not need to do anything, you just need to post some small link, this small link that you need to post, and you are getting paid a good. You do not if they are not even signing up, okay, you can just paid on clicks. Okay, so this is a best thing about this website. I just tell you about the surveys right now. Okay, you can see guys, in this you can see there are lots and lots of surveys, paid quizzes, and other things as well. Okay, so I'll show you step by step how you are getting paid. I just click on the surveys. Okay, and you can see guys, this much amount of dollar you can earn. You can see guys, $0.25, $0.16, and there are ample of surveys guys, ample of surveys. These surveys are not gonna end up. Okay, these are the surveys that you can do in your free time guys, while you are spending time watching movies. Okay, do spend just 20 minutes and you are getting paid for that. It's just a good time guys to spend your time while earning money. Okay, so how you can do it guys, you can see guys how I can do. If you are referring even 95 people guys, you can take this service because minimum referral is required. So I just told you how you can do it, referral system. Okay, that is why I have tell you first referral system. That is why, because guys, I just want to tell you that these groups are very efficient. You just need to post your referral link on these groups, and these are absolutely, you do not have to create it. You are just having a Facebook profile and you just need to click. Within seconds guys, your clicks will be done, your referrals will be done, so you can take it easily. Okay, I just tell you that which do not require any kind of referral. And guys, these surveys are absolutely, you know, free of cost. Just you need to start these surveys, and these are the surveys which are guys meant for the companies, big companies that are conducting this these kind of surveys, because they want to know that what their customers want to know about their products. Okay, so you can see that, do you currently having working mobile phone or cell phone? Okay, yes I do. Okay, just simple kind of thing guys, just simple things. Okay, you do not have to see anything, just click on the next button. Okay, just they are just validating the answers and all. Okay, and you are getting paid for that. It's the, I should say that it's very easy job. Okay, you can see guys, easy job, very easy job. You are just paying for just by doing some surveys. Okay, so this is how you need to do it. Just you just need to type, do you are currently having an account or mobile service provider? Yes I do. Okay, very simple guys, very simple. Just scroll it down and click on the next. Okay, and ample amount of surveys it is having. Okay, just click on this continue and you are good to go. Okay guys, so just refresh it and you can see guys, your surveys are good to go. Okay guys, what other things you need to do? Okay, I just tell you some more things. You will see that guys, there are external surveys also. So you can see guys, there are external surveys. Just click on this external surveys. Okay, and you can see guys, they are just you are getting paid. Okay, you are just getting paid. All the offers payouts are set in cents. Okay, you can see that 100 cents is equal to $1. We all know that. Okay, you just need to click on get started and just you are provided with, you just need to complete your profile and they are back to back answer you some questions. Okay, you just need to enter this these small questions. Mail, okay, your postal code, your date of birth. Okay, you just need to put your date of birth. Okay, just click on the next, and education level, to tell your educational level. Just simple things guys, simple things. Full time, part time job. Okay, self-employed, I just tell self-employed. Okay, and you can see under the age of 18, 0. Okay, marital status, single. Okay, just these simple things guys, and you are getting paid. You can see guys, 17 cents you are getting paid for that, for just having a look on the 10 minutes. Okay, and there are lots and lots of opportunities guys. You can load more stuff, things. Okay, you're just, they are just, I should say that guys, it is one of the best website, I should tell you that, which will give you more money while you are spending a time on this website. Okay, they are not giving you a 10% or 20%, they are just giving you based upon, these are the simple, just guys, you need to plus things. Okay, and it's very easy guys for you to conduct this thing. Okay, it's very easy, just you need to spend some time and just do some stuffs like this. Okay, just click on this thing, answer, just simple kind of things guys. I'm just getting paid for just these kind of things. Okay, just conducting this, your age. Okay, just wait for some time and you are getting paid for this. Okay, so there are lots and lots of things, guys. Okay, I just want to tell you that you just have a look on these kind of things, earn points. Okay, and you can see, guys, 60 cents. You can see just by doing some 10 minutes job and you are doing it. Okay, so that is why I tell you these kind of things. So there are daily tasks that you need to complete, guys. You can see that there are list of tasks. Okay, just click on these tasks and you can see, guys, there are lots of tasks in this website, and you can eventually change your, guys, language preference as well. Okay, if you are from Spain, Germany, you can change your language preference as well. So that, guys, I just want to tell you a small thing, that you can do it, you can share it with people globally. You know that Facebook groups, you can even intended to send your referral links to other guys as well. Okay, guys, so the people in Germany, you can send those your link to German people. Okay, on Italy, on Russia, because it is because this website is compatible with different types of languages. Okay, so you can do it on that way as well, so that it will create your audience globally. Okay, people are having problem, so this you can see, guys, is doing a pretty good job for you. Okay, I can earn 19 cents by just completing these small tasks. Okay, these are the daily tasks that we can complete it, guys. Just 10 to 20 minutes you need to spend and you are getting paid. I just tell you that it's the best thing that you can ever get. Okay, these are the small surveys, guys. You can see there are lots and lots of surveys and you are getting. So I hope that you can do it on your own, guys. Just spend some time. You can see there are ample of tasks that will lead you to, okay, earn good amount of money. You can see, guys. Okay, and there are other tasks as well. Task 3, task 4, ample of tasks it is having. Okay, ample of tasks. You can see, guys, you just need to download some Android apps. You can see, guys, install, open app and register, and you are getting paid 3.1 cents. Okay, 34 cents. Okay, just need to register and you are getting paid, and there is no end, guys. Okay, ample of apps it is having. So I just want to recommend you to, guys, just have a look on these kind of things and perform some external things as well. Okay, and there are paid polls as well, guys. You can just click on this paid quizzes. Okay, paid quizzes. So for each quiz, guys, unlimited test you can give. So for unlimited test is accepted, so you can increase your general knowledge as well. Okay, with this quiz you can share it with kids, guys. Kids are also earning. You can set up these quiz and try to give your kids to perform your quiz, so that, guys, these students can even earn. Don't tell them that it is meant for paying. Okay, so kids are also gonna pay by just increasing their knowledge. So that is why I tell you that, guys, just have faith and just perform some time on these kind of things. Okay, so for this, guys, I just want to tell you that please hit the subscribe button and like it, so that I can give you more like these stuffs. Okay, which will not only create your financial status well, but also increase your knowledge, because, guys, knowledge is also important for put forth our things. So that is why I have meant priorities for knowledge first and then to money. Okay, guys, so you can see, guys, and I just want to recommend you guys just see the payment history. Now we are saying how we can pay out these money. Okay, just click on this payout settings. Okay, first payment settings you just need to put, and guys, you just need to have a PayPal account. Okay, so, guys, and don't worry, guys, there is no referral needed in order to have a minimum payout. some websites will offer that you need to refer it and then you can earn. No, this website is not. Even if you are doing some surveys, you can easily pay out this amount of money. Okay, you just need to your name, okay, and your PayPal address, email address. Okay, if you do not have a PayPal email address, guys, just write down in the comment section. Okay, I'll teach you step by step how you can make your PayPal account. It's very simple, guys. How you link your bank account details, I just show you step by step. If you want it, just write down in the comment section. Okay, guys, and you can pay out. You can see that, guys, payment request. Okay, you can redeem the amount if you are having some amount in this. Okay, minimum is $30, guys. Okay, and this is it for this, guys. This is it for this video, guys. I just do recommend to have complete these kind of surveys. You can paid quizzes. Okay, you can earn a good amount of money from this website by increasing your knowledge as well, and you are getting a good amount of money. Even, guys, people from different countries are coming in this website to increase their knowledge and earn money. Okay, guys, so we'll see you in the next video, guys. Just do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.